We will and parachute all the guns of the foe and still get ready. Airborne from skies of blue, getting the door coming. Make the jump, still take your boats today. Let's go put on your boots, your jumping boots, your parachutes, get all those gliders ready to attack today. Go, go!
And today on Have a Knife Day, we're at the Cal Knives Knife Show 2025 in Brea, California. We're here at the booth of Alex Strickland. Alex, what did you bring to the show today?
Fighters are kind of what I make. So big 12-inch fighter. This one has a shared award with Trevor Morgan, so him and I both won Best Fighter Bowie.
And that is a clamshell S-guard.
Yes.
And you can see that right here. What was the, what's the steel of the S-guard?
It's 1018. 1018. So just mild, clean mild.
And what kind of Damascus is this?
It's a version of an explosion. So it just kind of had the layers manipulated a little bit more before doing an explosion.
It's an explosion. It really catches the eye.
Yeah, it reminds me of like Chris Anderson's almost.
Yes.
You know what I mean? I only brought one chef's knife, and then so that's a pattern I'm trying to develop and kind of just messing around with. And then yeah, feather's my favorite pattern.
And this is a burl. This knife, when you pick it up, is so incredibly light. It's shocking.
Yeah.
I mean, you see the size of the knife and you pick it up and you're like, damn. And the feather Damascus is gorgeous.
I think for me, when I think of a fighting knife, I don't want a lot of weight. You know what I mean? I want something that's fast. So a pretty common theme with my knives is a lightweight.
Now, what can you tell me about the process used on this knife right here?
So that is that's sandline Damascus, and then the outside cladding is cable. So.
And once again, this is an incredibly light knife. Harpoon. And that's got some wonderful texture on it.
I kind of have knives that hit all of the spectrum that I can try and cover. So
and how can people get a hold of you?
Instagram's a good one for me. So Strickland Knives or Strickland Knives on Instagram, and then call me.
And just let everyone know, I will have the links available in the descriptions. Alex, some beautiful work you got here. Thanks for sharing it. Have a great show and have a knife day.
We will and parachute.